Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there were no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here. The remediation of my problems with the Mr. Coffee espresso maker. I have to put a handle across the cap. You have to unscrew so you can put water in it. And I may do some plastic surgery on that black plastic casing the whole thing is in, so I can fill it with water and not worry that water's migrating into the switch or other expensive water-hating parts of the mechanism. I told Stefan Gutzewinter I was going to speak of him in a video I was posting tonight. This is it. I'm going to do a minor Gutzewinter on the water fill cap and probably the casing around it, so I can actually unscrew the damn thing and put water in it, and I can put water in it without being afraid that it's going to corrode the electrical contacts in the switch. I still do not recommend you buy anything with Mr. Coffee on it. Joe DiMaggio, I hope you're burning in hell for putting your name on anything related to this product.